ready to unlock a world of Taco Bell deliciousness at your fingertips. First things first, make sure you've downloaded the Taco Bell app from your app store and created an account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home screen, your gateway to a convenient Taco Bell experience. To start an order, tap the Order tab at the bottom. This will bring you to the menu where you can browse through all your Taco Bell favorites. Let's say you're craving a Crunchwrap Supreme. Tap on it to see more details and customization options. This is where things get fun. You can customize almost anything on the menu. Want to remove the sour cream or add extra cheese? Simply toggle the options or use the plus and minus buttons. Don't forget to check out the Deals tab. Taco Bell frequently offers exclusive deals and rewards for app users. It's basically free food just for being awesome. Once you've built your perfect order, tap Add to Order, then head to your cart and select your preferred pickup method, either in-store or drive-thru. Choose your payment method, confirm your order, and that's it. You'll receive a notification when your order is ready for pickup. Now you can skip the line, customize your cravings, and enjoy exclusive deals, all thanks to the Taco Bell app. Happy ordering!